Hey,
This is our science video.
so enjoy. Drippy. So for the first part, we're gonna talk about
Speed.
So for the first part, we're gonna talk about semis and cars and the difference between those and which one would be harder to stop.
So pretend this is a semi car. Okay. This semi truck is 20 to 50 times larger and heavier than this car. This is 20 to 50 times harder to stop because of its mass and momentum. This semi truck takes about 6 seconds to stop more than this car on dry pavement. This car takes about 4 seconds to stop on dry pavement.
Okay, so the semi takes longer to brake on good pavement than that of a car because of its mass and momentum. So now we're gonna talk about distance and displacement.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 west. The displacement is 15 divided by 10 because she took 15 steps total and then took 10 seconds, so we divided that and we got 1.5. Displacement was 10 steps northwest.
But it wasn't displacement. That was 1.5. That was velocity. So to find the velocity that I was walking, it was we did 15 divided by 10, and then we got 1.5. So 1.5 was our velocity. Okay, so now we're gonna represent collision, and so when we collide, our mass is equal. So when we collide, we're gonna go in the direction that we came from because our momentum is equal.
Ready?
Okay, so now we got this big bear here. His momentum's greater than mine. So when we collide, I'm gonna go this way and he's gonna keep going the way that he's going because his momentum is greater than mine. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Throughout this video, we talked about mass, momentum, and inertia, and how. Stop touching me! We talked about mass, momentum, and inertia, and how mass and momentum affect how hard it is to stop an object.
Or slow it down.
In the last part, we talked about momentum and how the momentum is transferred between like an object and then the other object, and then they go in different ways if they're the same. And if the one's bigger than the other, then this one pushes this one.
That is because of its mass.
Oh.
Yeah, so for the first part, we're going to talk about...
Shut up! She's walking this way steps and that way in south of... This semi-truck is,
Unreal. Okay, so now we...
50-pound...
No! So for the first part, we're going to talk about mass,
inertia,
and momentum.
the